How much weight can our sheet metal magnets hold? The packaging says 120 pounds based on 2mm steel plates. But let's test it out to the max. You see we got a 2mm steel plate here, and here's our setup. Since the handles are removable, we screwed them onto these two turnbuckles. Those plus a steel plate weighs a total of 17.5 pounds. Now let's start adding weight. We know it can hold at least 120 pounds, so first we added two heavy weights that are 43.4 pounds each. Now we're adding 4 of these at 5.4 pounds. Adding 10 times 4.6 pounds. Whoa, we're already at 182 pounds. Now let's speed this up. Adding 2 times 4 pounds. Adding 4 times 3 pounds. That's over 200 pounds. 4 of these weigh in at 13.6 pounds. I'm getting nervous. Another 10 pounds added. There it goes! The last 10 pounds got it up to 225.5 pounds at failure. Now let's see that again. Wow! And there you have it. Under perfect conditions and balance, these two sheet metal magnets can hold over 200 pounds, but we don't recommend it. What should we test next?